Hello, welcome to a series of short videos that are only for channel members. If you would like to subscribe, the join button is down below. It all helps support me in creating my photography, which a number of you seem to enjoy. I don't quite know why. Maybe it's the weirdness of the photographer. But anyway, really short videos, lightly edited. If I was to edit them in the same way as I had to edit the big weekly ones, they'd never get done. That just takes days and days. But anyway, the focus of these videos is going to be pretty much just one shot. I find one shot wherever I am and I talk about that shot. And we have here a lobster pot. And when I found it, it wasn't here. This is the key thing, it wasn't here. It was up on a ridge back here where it was in the shade. That would probably been washed up there at some point. I don't know. There's actually another one which is someone's placed it on top of a concrete revetment back there. But anyway, I thought there's something that we can do with it. I'm not sure what, but I had to move it because in the shade it was just totally lost. Yeah, we've got a very confusing kind of floor, if you want, beach, very heavy shingle beach, and just this lobster pot. And I thought, well, I've got to be able to do something with it. I've got something looking low down with it. Got the tripod out convolutedly, really low down, and what I'm doing is basically a number of different exposures or different apertures to try and really just focus the eye on this gap. Well, not focus the eye on the gap, I should say. Yeah, take this gap away from the focus and just really look directly at the lobster pot with this big, wide, sweeping coastline running off into the distance. I think it's quite a nice shot. It is in black and white. Well, it's shot in a black and white profile. I think that's probably how it will continue and end up being when you see it in a moment. It's shot with a portrait orientation, just purely to kind of emphasize that lead off into the distance. Yeah, kind of telling the story of this is a wild and lonely, bleak, empty place. There's nobody down there. There's a few people walking around, but they're in that direction. And back of the camera, I rather like this. It's incredibly bright. I've had to use the viewfinder because I just can't see the screen. The light's all the way up here and I just can't shield it enough to see the screen. So not sure what else I can say about it. I hope you enjoy the shot. Please click the like button, tell your friends, click the join button, because this will probably be the only video that you get to see that's intended for members, but will be out for everybody else as well. And yeah, do let me know what you think of it, and if you can afford to support me with a monthly donation, then I will give you more and more and more of this kind of content to fill in some of the gaps in the week. Thank you very much for your support. I really do appreciate it, and enjoy the shot.